Let's take a look at how Copilot can help us inside Excel. Here I am in Excel. You don't need to turn this into a table, but tables do make it easier to work with Copilot. Let's go Control-T to turn this sample data into a table. On the Home ribbon, you'll find the Copilot icon. And some prompts here might help us get started. I want to apply a colour here. To apply a red, yellow, green colour scale to the total sales. Copilot talks me through what it's doing. It shows me the result, and I can then choose to apply this. Great, so now I've got conditional formatting to show me the highest values in green and the lowest in red. Now I'd like to create my own formula. I'd like to add a column that calculates GST of 15% on the sales amount. And I'll ask it to apply New Zealand formatting to the relevant columns. So we can see Copilot's generating the formula, and I can insert this column into my data. It hasn't added the formatting. Let's try that again. I'll specify which columns I want it to apply New Zealand formatting to. It's showing me the process and I can click Apply. I can use this refresh button to refresh the ideas that Copilot will give me. One of the ideas is show a percentage of total price that comes from the category Home and Kitchen. Let's click that. Great, so it's calculated the percentage and I can transfer this into a new sheet. It's created the pivot table for me and it's highlighted the Home and Kitchen. So with Copilot's help, I can use conversational language to get my work done.